In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use delays in your workflows in HubSpot so you can better control timing, automate follow-ups, and create a smoother customer journey. Delays are one of the most powerful features inside HubSpot automation because they let you control when the next action happens instead of sending everything immediately. Whether you want to wait 2 days before sending a follow-up email, pause until next Monday at 9 a.m., or delay until a specific event happens, HubSpot gives you flexible options to do that. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can set this up confidently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top navigation bar, go to Automation and then click on Workflows. This is where all of your automated workflows live. From here, you can either click Create Workflow to build a new one from scratch, or you can open an existing workflow if you want to add a delay to something you've already built. If you're creating a new workflow, choose your workflow type. This could be contact-based, company-based, deal-based, or another object depending on your HubSpot subscription. After selecting the type, you'll need to set your enrollment triggers. These triggers determine when records enter the workflow. For example, a contact submits a form, a deal reaches a certain stage, or a property matches specific criteria. Once your trigger is set, click Save. Now you'll be taken to the workflow canvas. This is where you build your automation step by step. To add a delay, click the plus icon underneath your trigger or underneath any existing action where you want the pause to happen. A panel will open on the right side showing all available workflow actions. Scroll through the list and select Delay. HubSpot will now give you different types of delay options. The first option is Delay for a set amount of time. This is the most common type. You can choose something like 2 days, 3 hours, 1 week, or any custom time frame. This is perfect for spacing out emails or giving contacts time before the next action runs. The second option is Delay until a day or time. This allows you to schedule the next action for a specific day of the week and time. For example, you could delay until next Monday at 9 a.m. This is especially useful if you want emails to go out during business hours rather than immediately when someone enrolls. The third option is Delay until an event happens. This feature is typically available in professional and higher tiers. With this option, the workflow pauses until a specific action occurs, such as a form submission, a property change, or another tracked event. This is extremely powerful for behavior-based automation. Once you select the type of delay you want, enter the duration or configure the day and time settings. Double-check your time zone settings if timing is critical. When everything looks good, click Save. The delay will now appear on your workflow canvas exactly where you placed it. After adding the delay, you can insert the next action. Click the plus icon below the delay and choose what should happen next. This could be sending a marketing email, setting a property value, creating a task, rotating a lead, or adding an if-then branch for more advanced logic. Take a moment to review your entire workflow layout. Make sure the delay is positioned correctly and that the order of actions makes sense. Timing is everything in automation, so it's important that your sequence flows logically. When you're ready, click Review and Publish in the top right corner. HubSpot will show you a summary of the workflow settings, including enrollment triggers and actions. Confirm everything looks correct, then click Turn On or Publish to activate your workflow. Finally, confirm activation when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured delays inside your HubSpot workflow. Using delays strategically can dramatically improve engagement, prevent overwhelming your contacts, and create smarter automation sequences. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.